Elijah and Kevin were charged with conspiracy to commit a felony on or before 3rd November 2025 at a known place at time within the Republic of Kenya, jointly with others not before the court, conspired to commit a felony, namely stealing cash 4 million, the property of Equity Bank Kenya Limited. Alleged for stealing. Count 2, you are all charged with stealing by servant. On 3rd November 2025, at Equity Bank Kenya Limited, Westlands branch in Nairobi, within Nairobi County, the Republic of Kenya, being employees of Equity Bank, Githurai branch as a relationship officer operations and relationship supervisor customer service respectively, jointly stole cash 4 million, the property of Equity Bank Kenya Limited, which came into possession by virtue of their employment. The major troubles, stepping.
May it please your name, my name is Nanda. I have instructions to replace the records for the first and second accused persons, together with my colleague, Mr. Mwambi. Mwambi, sir.
Mwambi, your own prayer.
And we pray that the first and second accused persons be admitted very lenient and very low confidence. The two of them have fixed the board. They have indeed extended cooperation with the investigating officers through the investigations. Your Honor, they commit to attend court as and when the matter shall be. And before this matter of court. In pleading for leniency, Your Honor, granting the bail terms, the two accused persons were arrested on Thursday of last week. Never presented before court within the 24 hours that is guaranteed under Article 49. To this extent, they've already suffered a violation, which we ask this court to consider, even as we said, the bail bonds. Both of them are employees of the complainants, Equity Bank, as their services haven't been terminated yet. They will therefore avail themselves before court. And we pray, Your Honor, that you grant reasons of bail terms.
Briefly, Your Honor. Your Honor, fair trial begins at pleaded. Your Honor, the book of bail and policy is to the effect that to afford accused persons access to justice. It also talks of reasonableness, fairness, and affordability. Your Honor, the charge sheet before you today is an allegation towards the two young gentlemen on the dock. and it still remains an allegation on the presumption of innocence against the contrary is proved. On that account, neither the court, the prosecution, and the defense have gotten an opportunity to scrutinize the documents that we have asked that we be supplied with. Until such a time, Your Honor, and as you exercise your discretion, we submit that you consider fairness, affordability, and the reasonableness in admitting the accused persons to bond terms and cash. Thank you, Your Honor.
That as a general principle, when the court is called upon to make an application, to make a decision as to the amount, as principle number 3, it should consider balancing the rights of both the accused and the victim. The victim here being the complainant who alleges to have lost an amount of Kenya shillings 4 million. So we wish that the court also consider the same. Your Honor, I've seen a trend that whenever I'm silent, counsels make allegations on the issue that the accused person was arrested on Thursday. That's a matter of fact, can be verified. I have even the complaint with me in court that was made. The complaint was made on 7th November 2025. So that was on Friday. And today we are on Monday. I think we are still within the set principles of the Constitution to avail the accused person from punishment. I forgot to mention that in the previous matter. That's why I'm seeing my silence not to be construed otherwise.
The defense counsel on behalf of the accused persons, they are praying that they be admitted on reasonable bail terms. I've also considered the response made by the prosecution to have the court balance the rights between the accused and the victim and to consider the bail and bond policy. In consideration of the case that is before court and the value of the subject matter, and to balance the rights of all parties, the court finds that a bond of 1 million Kenya shillings, together with each to avail a surety of a similar amount, or alternatively a cash bail of 400,000 each, with one contact person each of the accused person, will be reasonable. And on the issue of the 24-hour rules, the prosecution has explained that the accused persons were arrested on Friday and that the same is within the said 24-hour period. Should the defense file that the same is outside the said period, the court finds that that is a matter to be raised before a constitutional for it to be addressed. That as for now, the bond will stand as granted.
Vemos.